Unlocking wealth secrets to becoming rich. Have you ever wondered why some people become incredibly rich while others struggle financially? Today, we're revealing the most important facts, strategies, and mindset shifts you need to build massive wealth. And to back it up, we'll be sharing wisdom from the world's richest people. So buckle up and stay with us till the end. Alright, let's talk about money. And no, I don't mean just those dollar bills you've got stuffed in your wallet or that dwindling number in your checking account. I'm talking about the concept of money itself. See, most people think of money as this elusive thing, this thing that just magically appears in their account twice a month, and then, just as magically, disappears again. But that's the wrong way to think about it. You need to understand that money isn't just paper, it's a tool. Just like any other tool, whether it's a hammer or a computer program, it's all about knowing how to use it effectively. And trust me, once you learn how to use this particular tool, it can work wonders for you. Think of Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of all time. He once said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Now, he's not saying you need to become some kind of workaholic. He's saying you need to shift your perspective. Don't just rely on your 9-to-5 on trading your time for dollars. You need to learn how to make money work for you even while you sleep. Educate yourself, invest in your financial literacy, and take control of your financial future. You know, one of the biggest misconceptions out there is that all rich people were born with silver spoons in their mouths, handed everything on a silver platter. Trust me, that couldn't be further from the truth. The reality is often much more complex and inspiring. Most millionaires, the self-made kind, the ones who really built something from the ground up, they started with nothing but a dream and an unstoppable drive to make it happen. They faced countless obstacles and still pushed through. Think about it, reflect on the stories you've heard. Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs. These guys weren't born into wealth. They didn't have it easy. They had a vision, they hustled, they failed, they learned, and they kept pushing forward. They embraced failure as a stepping stone to success. And that's the key, right there. The willingness to keep going, no matter what. It's that relentless pursuit of their goals, that refusal to give up that set them apart. Their determination was unshakable. So, how do you start your journey to wealth? Well, I'm going to give you the golden rules, the things that these self-made billionaires lived by, principles that guided them. First off, never stop learning. Always be curious and open to new knowledge. The world is changing faster than ever before, and if you're not constantly upgrading your skills, you're going to get left behind. Adaptability is crucial. Read books, take online courses, learn from the best in the business. Seek out mentors who can guide you. Knowledge is power, especially in today's economy. Second, invest in yourself. This is a lifelong commitment. This is probably the single most important investment you'll ever make. It pays the best interest. And no, I'm not just talking about education. It's about holistic growth. I'm talking about investing in your health, your relationships, your personal growth. Every aspect of your life matters, because at the end of the day, your most valuable asset is you. Take care of yourself, and finally, diversify your income. Don't rely on a single source. The secrets of building wealth. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do you actually build wealth? Well, there are countless ways to make money, but some strategies are far more effective than others. And today I'm going to share with you some of the most powerful wealth-building secrets out there. First up, we have investing. And I'm not just talking about throwing your money into whatever stock your buddy from work told you about. I'm talking about strategic, informed investing in assets like stocks and real estate. See, these assets have this incredible ability to grow over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. It's like a snowball effect. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Next, we have entrepreneurship. Now, starting your own business might seem daunting, but it's one of the most rewarding paths to wealth creation. Why? Because when you're an entrepreneur, you're not trading your time for money, you're building an asset, a system that generates revenue even when you're not working. Plus, there's no limit to how much you can earn. How to keep your wealth. Now, making money is one thing, but keeping it? That's a different challenge altogether. That's a whole other ballgame, requiring a different set of skills and strategies. You see, it's all too easy to fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation, of letting your expenses balloon as your income grows. This can quickly erode your newfound wealth. And trust me, I've seen it happen time and time again. It's a common pitfall. People work their tails off, they finally start making some serious money, and then, Poof! It's gone. It's gone. Vanished into a black hole of luxury cars, designer clothes, and extravagant vacations. The allure of a lavish lifestyle can be overwhelming. So how do you avoid this wealth-killing trap? How do you ensure your hard-earned money stays with you? Well, the first step is simple. Don't spend more than you earn. It's a fundamental rule. It sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people fall into the debt trap, living paycheck to paycheck, despite earning a good income. They often overlook the basics. Create a budget, track your spending, and make sure you're living below your means. This is crucial for long-term financial health. Next, avoid making rash investment decisions. Think before you act. Never, and I repeat, never put your hard-earned money into something you don't understand. This is a recipe for disaster. Do your research, consult with financial advisors you trust, and diversify your investments to manage risk. Diversification is key. And last but not least, always be prepared for the unexpected. Build a safety net. Life throws curveballs, whether it's a medical emergency, a job loss, or an unexpected home repair. Having an emergency fund can make all the difference. Conclusion and call to action. So, there you have it. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding how money works to uncovering the secrets of building and keeping wealth. But remember, this is just the beginning. The road to wealth isn't always easy. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. But trust me, it's worth it. Now, I want you to do something for me. If you're serious about taking control of your finances and building a brighter future, take that first step. Hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Guys, look, building wealth isn't about winning the lottery or inheriting a fortune from a long-lost relative. It's about making smart choices day in and day out. It's about investing in yourself, building something of value, and learning how to make your money work as hard as you do. Remember, the best time to start building your financial future was yesterday. The second best time is right now.